The Xiaomi 13T Pro is a compelling smartphone that bridges the gap between flagship performance and mid-range pricing, offering a robust set of features tailored to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. Design and build. The device showcases a sleek design with options for glass or vegan leather rear panels, providing both aesthetic appeal and a comfortable grip. However, the prominent camera bump may be a consideration for some users. Display. Featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, the Xiaomi 13T Pro delivers vibrant colors and smooth visuals, enhancing both media consumption and gaming experiences. Performance. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, the 13T Pro ensures swift performance across applications and games, rivaling higher-priced competitors. Camera. The triple camera system includes a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. This setup captures detailed and vibrant images, though the ultra-wide lens lacks autofocus, and the selfie camera's performance is modest. Battery life. The 5000 mAh battery supports 120 watts wired fast charging, enabling rapid recharging. However, the absence of wireless charging may be a drawback for some users. Overall, the Xiaomi 13T Pro stands out as a value-driven smartphone, delivering flagship-level features at a more accessible price point. Thank you so much.